Last September, more than 6,000 attendees visited Mall B in downtown Cleveland to sample over 30 of Cleveland's top chef-driven restaurants at the inaugural Cleveland Eats Culinary Festival.
Cleveland Eats was one of the most well-organized culinary experiences that I participated in.
There's a lot of amazing food, there's a lot of fun things to do, there's a lot of really amazing people who are just excited to be there, so it's just a really good energy.
This is all about Cleveland. So our talent, our resources, locally sourced products, locally made products, and that resonates with their customers.
We also saw this as an opportunity to just have some greater exposure in the Northeast Ohio community.
Really, as sponsors, I think it's a great way to interact with people in our business who are then going to support your products.
We look for events that align with our mission statement and the goals that we're trying to achieve, and Cleveland Eats is a natural fit for us.
It's a no-brainer for you to be involved and see our community thrive around the restaurant industry.
We are pleased with the results. We've added some new business. We've strengthened some relationships that we have with existing customers.
And we had such a great relationship with the Cleveland Eats team before that the opportunity to get out there and see the product showcase with everybody was really exciting.
So I'm so thankful to the sponsors that did make this opportunity a reality.
Your sponsorship not only helps the festival be successful, it helps us students here at the Hospitality Management Program to be successful.
Getting the opportunity to volunteer through the Tri-C program through Cleveland Eats led me to an incredible job opportunity with Spice Kitchen and Bar.
I just think it's very exciting to see that much energy your first year out, and then just imagine when the word gets out and it builds and it grows.
The customers from last year are going to come back, bring their friends, their families, and I think it's just going to keep building year after year.
Well, as soon as I got that phone call that next year's a go for Cleveland Eats in 2018, definitely had excitement.
The enthusiasm for our product is there. It's the right audience for us to be in front of. So we're super excited about what we can create and build on what we started with and create an even better experience for next year.
And it was an opportunity that we see that we can be sponsors for years to come, because it meets our core objectives of getting in front of those customers that are passionate about food, and it's also a chance for us to give back to the community.
Cleveland Eats embodies two of the best qualities of Northeast Ohio: great food and great people. Cleveland is growing, and we want to be a part of that. So come this September, we hope you'll be a part of that too.
And we see this as a true partnership. We're all in.